Hello all, this is Dr. Deepali Meher. In this video, we are going to see another example of Neo4j slip solving, that is dairy brand information. If you have not subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe it to get next updates. So let us go ahead. Model the following dairy brand information as graph model and answer the following queries using Cypher. See the question. There are various brands like Amul, Go, Britannia, Gokul, etc. Their popularity varies across different states in India. The popularity is measured as percentage, with a high popularity defined as greater than equal to 90%, medium popularity between 50 to 90%, and low popularity is less than 50%. Each brand manufactures various types of dairy products like milk, butter, cheese, curd, etc. The milk product can be categorized into low fat, medium fat or high fat content type. If you look at the question, there are only three types of nodes: brands, states and products. The importance in this question is there is a relationship like popularity. So the popularity across different states in India, and the popularity is measured in terms of percentage. So a characteristics is given to the relationship. A characteristic is given to the relationship. Another thing is the milk product can be categorized into low, medium and high, and any brand can produce any type of milk, either low fat, medium fat or high fat. That we have to think in the mind. So let us go ahead and start modeling for the slip. There are only two important relationships, produces and popular in. Let us see. There are various brands like Amul, Gokul and Britannia here I have taken. Then there are various products, milk, butter, cheese and curd. See, as I have told, Amul can produce any type of product. As an example, I have taken only 2-3 products. Amul produces milk, but the milk is of high fat content type or low fat content type or medium fat content type. So this is the this is what the characteristic of this relationship. So Amul produces high and medium type of milk. Then Amul produces butter. Now there is no category defined for butter, they have only specified the category for milk. So don't take for other products the category as a relationship name, as a relationship characteristic. Then Amul produces cheese. Gokul produces milk, which is of low fat content type. Gokul produces butter also. Britannia produces milk, which is low and high fat content type. Britannia produces cheese also, and Britannia produces curd also. So these are very simple relationships I have taken for explanation. There are various states, Maharashtra, Gujarat and Rajasthan. 3 states I have taken. Again, the popularity, brands will be popular in the different states. So Amul will be popular in Maharashtra. Keep in mind, Amul is popular in Maharashtra, and the popularity percentage, that it is low, high and medium. So it is popularity percentage is given to the relationship. So this percentage 50 is nothing but the characteristics of this relationship. Amul is popular in Maharashtra 50%. Amul is popular in Gujarat for various products 98%. Gokul is popular in Maharashtra 95%. Popular in Rajasthan 60%. And Britannia popular in Rajasthan 30%. So this is the simple modeling of this Neo4j. Now let us go ahead and solve this slip practically. In this slip, first we have to create the different brands, that is Amul, Britannia and Gokul. So let us create these brands, brand name Amul, Britannia and Gokul. I will just make a copy. You know how to open the Neo4j. Open the Neo4j by typing Neo4j console in the Google text box. Clear the database so your dashboard is clear, and use any editor for the queries so that it will save your time. So if I firing this query, you can see three different brands are created: Amul, Gokul and Britannia. Next you can create different products: milk, butter, cheese and curd. So let us create the four types of products. There are many more types, but for example I have taken this. So there are different types of products. Next, there are different types of states. I have taken only three: Maharashtra, Gujarat and Rajasthan. Next is, now we have to create the relationship produces. That is, brand produces product. Match brand comma product. So B is the alias for brand, P is the alias for product. Where B dot name, so brand dot name is Amul, and P dot name, that is product dot name is the label, butter. So Amul produces butter. So how to create relationship? Create source relationship destination. Create B produces P, Amul produces butter, and you have to return both the nodes. So like this we will create the relationship between brand and product, that is Amul produces butter. Let us go ahead and solve the slip. You can see and relationship will be created between Amul and butter. Amul can also produce cheese. So match brand comma product, where brand name is Amul and product name is cheese. Create B produces P. So Amul produces cheese. So if you type return, what will happen? It will give you the answer in terms of table format also. So see here, Amul can produce the cheese also. Now next, Amul can produce milk, and we have seen milk is of three types of category: high fat, medium fat and low fat. Might possible Amul can produce all three types, or only one type, or two type. So here in the example I have taken Amul produces milk, which is of category high fat and medium fat. So here I have created an array for this produces relationship, and name for that array is category. So Amul produces milk of which category? High fat and medium fat. So let us copy this and run to Neo4j to create a node between Amul produces milk. See, if you see the node, it will show you Amul produces milk, but it does not show what kind of milk it is going to produce. We know we have taken high fat and medium fat. Next is Britannia produces curd. So match brand comma product, where B dot name is Britannia and P dot name is curd. Create B produces P. So Britannia produces curd. So a relationship between Britannia and curd is created. Now next, Britannia produces milk. Now milk is of three type. Here I have taken Britannia produces milk, but that produces means what kind of category milk that Britannia is going to produce? That is, cat is the array and low fat and high fat type. So Britannia produces milk which is of category low fat and high fat category. As every time I am telling you that there are number of ways to solve a slip. Whatever I am telling you is very simplest way. See here, Britannia produces milk. Next one is Britannia is producing cheese. So this is very simple relationship. You have to create a node between Britannia and cheese, that Britannia produces cheese. Then Gokul produces milk. Now what kind of milk is produced by Gokul? It is only low fat content type, not a high fat content or medium fat. So only one thing is also allowed in array. Only one member is also allowed in array, but you should take it in array only. If you will not take it in array, the query will not run properly. So for Gokul, it is only one type of member. Now next, Gokul can produces butter. So let us create that Gokul produces butter. Next is, now we have to create the relationship popular in, that brands are popular across various states. Now this popularity is measured in terms of percentage. So how to take this percentage? Popular in is the relationship. How to take this percentage? This you have to take as an attribute, as an characteristics to the relationship. Relationship is popular in, and this is what a percentage you are going to take. Now they have specified high percentage, high popularity, low popularity, and medium popularity. So according to that, you have to create the relationship. Match state comma brand, where brand name is Amul and state name is Maharashtra. So Amul is popular in Maharashtra. By which percentage? By 50 percentage. Okay. So let us create this relationship that Amul is popular in Maharashtra by 50%. Okay. Next, same way Amul is popular in Gujarat by 98%. So it is high popularity. They have already specified the range of popularity. So according to that, I have taken the numbers. This is very simplest way to solve the query. Next, let us go ahead. Gokul and Maharashtra. Gokul is popular in Maharashtra and the popularity percentage are 95. So you can see here Gokul is popular in Maharashtra also by 95%. Then Gokul is popular in Rajasthan by how much percentage? 60%. So let us create that relationship. Might possible that one brand is highly popular in any state and less popular in another state. Then Britannia is popular in Rajasthan by which percent? 30%. So in this way, modeling of Neo4j database we have done with. Now let us fire the queries. The first query is very simple. List the different brands in your graph model. So match brand and you have to return that brand name. So this query does not have any relationship, only just firing match brand and return b dot name. It will display different brands which you have considered while creating your Neo4j graph model. I have considered only 3: Amul, Britannia and Gokul. Very simple query. Now the next query. List the brand that are highly popular in Maharashtra. So see here state name is given. So we have to match the state name. Now highly popular. How you will find out the popularity? You have to given characteristics to the relationship in terms of percentage. So highly popular means it is greater than 90%. So which brands are popular in Maharashtra? Which are highly popular? So how to write the query? Match. You have to match the state and state name is given. Name is Maharashtra. See, brand is popular in state. I have taken the arrow in this way because I have written right hand side the brand node and left hand side Maharashtra node. You can do exactly reverse also, no issue. It gives you the correct answer. Now this popular in is a relationship. I have taken alias as A. So alias A dot percentage. We have taken percentage, popularity percentage. So percentage is the attribute which is taken for the relationship. So if it is greater than 90, when this relationship will go? When if the percentage is greater than 90, and you have to return that brand name. So it will display the brands which are highly popular, means percentage is greater than 90 in Maharashtra. So it will display that Gokul is highly popular in Maharashtra because you have taken Gokul percentage greater than 90. Next is highly popular cheese brands in Gujarat. So state name is given. Okay, product name is also given. State name is Gujarat and product name is cheese. Now highly popular means what is the popularity percentage? It should be greater than equal to 90. Here I have taken 90, but you can take it greater than equal to 90. So here two conditions you have to match. That is, brand should be popular in state and that brand should produce the cheese. It might possible that one brand is popular in Gujarat but it may not produce the cheese. So we want that kind of brand which is popular in Gujarat which also produces the cheese also. Or the brand which produces the cheese, it should be popular in Gujarat also. So we have already taken such kind of nodes. So match state, name Gujarat. See, brand should be popular across states. Another relationship is brand produces product. Brand popular in Gujarat. This is the first relationship you are going to match. Then another is brand produces product and the product name is cheese. The thing is how you are going to take this produces or how you are going to take this popularity. This popularity is measured in terms of percentage. So what is the percentage? The alias is given to the relationship as A. You can take any alias where A dot percentage is greater than 90. Now it might possible that it will reflect the name of the state many number of times. Number of relationships may exist. So to avoid that in the output you have to use distinct keyword. So let us fire this query and find out the answer. Which are the cheese brands highly popular in Gujarat? I have taken the itself as Amul. So query runs perfectly. It gives you the perfect answer. Next, list the brands that manufacturing low fat content milk. It can be any brand. So you want to display the names of the brands. The thing is product name you know, that is milk. The thing is only just you have to match the content type. So it is low fat content type. Now keep in mind here we have given the property to the relationship in terms of arrays. So they are strings, they are not a number. So how to find out this, how to write this? So where low fat, so you want to find out the low fat content type of milk. And what is this PR? This PR is nothing but the alias to this relationship. So match brand produces product. You know the product name, that is milk. Match brand produces product. Product name is milk. Now this produces is the relationship, the alias is PR. So where low fat in PR, so it will try to search low fat in PR dot category, because we have taken the name of the array is cat. So the characteristics for the produces is the cat, and we have taken that category high fat, medium fat and low fat. And last it should return that brand name. So match brand produces product. Name of the product is milk, where low fat in PR dot cat, and you have to return the brand name. Let us fire this query and check for the answer. It will show you Gokul and Britannia, because we have taken two brands which will produce the low fat. Let us go back and check whether a query gives the correct answer. See, Britannia produces the low fat content type of milk, so one is correct. Then Gokul, so let us go for Gokul also. We have taken such kind of, see, Gokul is also producing low fat content type. See, Gokul is producing only one type of milk. Still I have taken it is in an array. If you don't take it in array, what will happen? This will not gives you the correct answer. So this query that lists the different brands which produces low fat content type of milk, how it is written? Match brand produces product. The product name is milk. PR is the alias to this produces relationship, where what you are going to match? Low fat in PR dot category. So category is nothing but the name of the array, and you have to return that brand name. This ends with this example. If you like this video or slip solving session, then I am requesting you to watch, like, subscribe and share my channel. Thank you.